Potawatomi. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Amber, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, western Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, Tuttle, Minko, Valley Brook, Amber, Bridge Creek, Pocasset, and Woodlawn Park. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.